Most people get this wrong. They assume all mobile carriers are basically the same, but Tello and Google Fi offer very different experiences depending on your needs. Tello is a budget-friendly carrier that runs on T-Mobile's network. You can customize your plan with talk, text, and data, often paying under $30 per month for light usage. It's great if you are looking to save money and don't need unlimited data. Plans are flexible, and you can adjust them month to month. Google Fi, on the other hand, is more premium. It uses a combination of T-Mobile, US Cellular, and Wi-Fi networks to provide strong coverage and automatic switching. This pricing is simple. You pay for the data you use, and international coverage is included at no extra cost. It's ideal for travelers or people who want seamless connectivity across networks. My experience, Tello is perfect for light users, students, or people on a tight budget. Google Fi works best for heavy data users, frequent travelers, or those who want advanced network features. Speeds and coverage are generally better with Fi, but you pay for it. In conclusion, the surprising truth is that your choice depends on how you use your phone. For savings and flexibility, go with Tello. For convenience, coverage, and international use, Google Fi wins. Subscribe for more honest mobile carrier comparisons to help you pick the best plan for your lifestyle.